Hello everybody, this is Cliff at CultureSpots, and in this short video I'll show you how to brand your mobile audio tours on CultureSpots to reflect your organization's own look and feel. As a quick reminder, if you ever get stuck or need help, we'll be happy to do your branding for you, and often we're already busy behind the scenes taking care of it before you even log in and try it yourself. You can, of course, always update the branding and change it anytime. This is something that we can do for you for free. That said, configuring your branding is something you'll probably only ever do one time, or at least very infrequently. It does two main things for you. It creates a branded landing page for your organization, and it keeps this branding consistent throughout the rest of your mobile audio tours on CultureSpots. Let's make a quick checklist of what you may want to have ready in advance. You'll need a cover image. If you already have a Facebook page or a Twitter page, or if you have a header image on your website, you can probably use any of those as your cover. For an optimal look and feel, we recommend that you only use rectangular images that are horizontally oriented and have an aspect ratio of between 3:2 and 2:1. Next, you'll need a logo image, and this time it needs to be a square. A brief welcoming paragraph is good to have, perhaps with your hours of operation, a bit of background about your organization, or maybe a current exhibition. And finally, find out what your organization's brand colors are and get their hex color codes, perhaps from your website designer or your communications person. Now let's get into the system. Once you're logged in, click on the number 1 Configure Your Brand button. First, you'll be asked to enter your organization settings, which is basic information like your organization's address, state, zip code, phone, your main contact email address, and your organization's website URL. Next up is your brand settings. Notice how your organization's name and pretty URL are already filled out. That's because you provided all this when you created your account. One thing to note is that your organization's pretty URL is something that you cannot change here, and for good reason. But if you do want to change this, just shoot us a quick email and we'll take care of it for you. Under Description, enter a brief welcoming paragraph for your visitors. Under Brand Color, enter the hex color code of your brand, and we recommend that you use a color that is darker in nature, whereas below that, for the accent color, we recommend you use a color that is lighter in nature, or just plain white, which has a hex code of 6 Fs. Next, upload your logo and your cover image files, preferably in PNG or JPG format. And finish off by entering any of your social media links at the end, for example, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. When you're done, just click the Submit button and save it all. That's it. Now you know how to configure your branding on CultureSpots. I hope this video tutorial was helpful, and I thank you for watching.